How to redeem points with Emagine Rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem points with Emagine Rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for imagine-entertainment.com. You will then be led to the official webpage of Emagine, so make sure you are signed in to Emagine and now tap on the Emagine Rewards option you see there on top. Select your show time and seat and then make your way to the payment page. If you have a free reward available and the movie is past eligible, that reward will pop up on the right hand side of your screen. All that you have to do is hit the apply button. If not, enter the barcode located at the bottom of the ticket and press continue to confirm. If the code that you entered was correct, your code will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem points with Emagine Rewards. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.